I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? When it goes like this, the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and a major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, her faith is strong, but you need a proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overflowing. She tied her to hair, the chicken chair. She broke your heart and she cut your hair. And from your lips she drew